we do that by saying, I care. I care about the things we did last year. That's great. 100% students on track, ninth grade, 60% increase in reading, all these other accomplishments that we did. Ooh, we did a wonderful job. Now let's go to the next level. We did conference championship. Now we're about to win the whole thing. We did 56 students. Now we're about to get to 60. 100% freshmen on track. 100% sophomores on track. 100% freshmen on track. 100% graduation rate. Let's go for it. I know it seems like, oh man, like every day I know, believe me, I know it's taxing. But if you don't have your second leg, you can be that second leg. If you don't have that second arm, you can be that second arm. I got you, comrade. We're in it together. And if you're hurt, he's hurt. This is why. Thank you so much for listening, for watching. Did you enjoy the content? Then click like, click subscribe. And remember, like a tree that grows from a seed, everything that you will be is already inside of you.